Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe some connection.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Now listen. We'll start the class soon. Yes. Okay.
Good morning.
Mute everyone.
Now better. That's good, Mana.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. Few of you I want to unmute. Aditi can unmute. If you see an unmute, you have to unmute. Unmute. Or just can unmute. Kaira. Izan Russell can unmute. Selin. Few of you can unmute yourself. Srihari. Dia Viju. Joanne. Glenn, I've already muted, I think. Okay. Now listen. Hope there is no problem with the audio.
No,
So
ma'am.
we finished the helping verbs in the last class. You have to learn only the be forms and have forms. Remember the be forms we learned? Am is are. Yes. And the have forms are
Yes, ma'am.
have forms.
Have, had,
Okay.
have,
Has
had.
Okay. And one more thing is there in the primary auxiliary, that is the do forms. It's not there this year, but still it will be easy if you learn that now. So shall we go with the do forms today? Last class we couldn't take that. So with that we will stop helping verbs. Okay. Hope am is are is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
If it is clear, you have to tell me the use also. Who will quickly explain the rules of Amisa? Who is ready? Who is ready to say that quickly? The B forms. Amisa was or where. Or I'll call somebody. Okay. Aditi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just write in what way you understood.
Am is used in
Ah.
plural sound.
Am.
Ma'am,
Ah.
am is used I.
Am is used with I. Then is.
Is used with
Hmm.
he, she, it.
He, she, it, and the singulars. And what about are?
Are is used for
Hmm.
singular and plural.
Are.
But
What is used for singular and plural? Think.
no, ma'am.
It's only for
Plural.
plurals and the pronouns like plural pronouns we, they,
Be they.
We,
okay.
they,
And tell me, Mana, what is the use of was and where then?
Ma'am was
past tense.
Yeah, past tense.
past tense and
Singular or
where is
plural? Was is used for
Plural.
singular or plural?
what, ma'am? Was is singular.
Okay, and what about where?
Where is
Plural.
past tense for plural.
Plurals. Okay, plural
Ma'am, there is a
subjects.
disturbance, ma'am.
It's okay. Maybe some audio disturbance. It's not from here. It's not from here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what about has and have? Izan Russell. Izan, can you hear me, Izan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me about has and have. What is the use of has and have?
Ma'am has singular.
Has is singular and have is
Plural.
plural. And what
Plural.
about had then?
Past tense.
Past tense, both in singular and plural.
Plural.
Okay. Now we'll go with the last kind, the do forms. Any idea what all are coming under do forms? It's coming under primary auxiliary. Do forms.
Does.
Do, does, and did in the past tense. Okay. And do is for, see, I'm going to mute all because I can hear some kind of disturbance. Still some disturbance is there. Okay. So do is used for plurals, plural subjects. When the subject is plural, we have to use do. Then does is for singular. Then this is for past tense. Past tense. Okay. And both in singular and plural past tense cases. Then we'll go with the first one, plural subjects, do. See the pronouns like I, we, they, and you. Always it takes do. I do my homework, we do my homework, they do, and you do. It's not does. So if you say it does, it's wrong. Okay? And the other singular, for example, Rahul. Rahul does his work on time. Okay? Then, so always for plural, sorry. Rahul, we are speaking about do. Rahul and his friends. Rahul and his friends, now it became plural. Friends do their work on time. Now the subject is plural. So we have to take do. Okay, so do is always used for plural subjects. Do with these pronouns, I, we, they, you, it's do always, and it's also used for the plural subjects. When the plural subjects are coming as subjects, plural nouns are coming as subjects, we have to use do. Then the case of does. Then does. Okay, if do is for plural, does is for singular. Singular subjects. And the pronouns like he, she, it always take does. He does, she does, it does. And Rahul does. Got it? Now, did. Did is used always in past tense when the action is completed and with the singular and plural in past tense, like in the case of the other be forms and have forms. Singular and plural, the past tense we use a common helping verb, that is did. Do, if somebody is asking you what is the past tense of do or does, you have to say it is did. I did my homework last night. Then he did. Same thing. They, whatever be the subject, whether it is singular or plural, in the past tense, we have to use the did. Got it? Is it clear? Few of you can unmute. Selim, Devash, Kirtana, Diya Viju, Hari, Manas, Danvin. Unmute. Okay, so we were discussing about do, does, and did. Okay, what is the use of do then? We use do always for what kind of subjects?
Plural subjects.
Do for plurals. Very good. Can you say one sentence using this do? Danvin, can you hear me, Danvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say one sentence using do, where do come as a helping verb. Yes,
They do work.
they do work. Okay, they always do their work. They do their work. Okay. Then, what about does?
Singular subject.
Does is
Singular
singular.
subjects.
Okay. Now, Nasniya, can you make a sentence using does?
Rahul does. Ma'am, I don't know.
Think about anything. Think about any kind of work. Which are the works you do regularly? Yes?
Ma'am,
Try.
she does not do her homework.
Very good. She does not. She used negative. She doesn't do her homework. She does not do her homework. Okay, very good. Then, can you make a sentence in past tense? The same can be converted into past tense. Try it out. Who will try? Ashwell, can you try Ashwell? Ashwell.
Her homework.
Some of you never got a chance. Ashwell, where is Ashwell? Ashwell, unmute and say. Unmute. Ashwell, can you hear me? Ashwell. Okay. Then, Dia, can you try then? Unmute and try. Yeah. Make a sentence with did. That is good, Mana. Very beautiful. Keep it aside. You made it? Huh? Okay. Very good. Okay. So, Dia, continue, Dia.
I did.
I
did it.
I did a job. What you said? I did. I couldn't hear you properly. Just say it again.
I did it.
I did it. Okay, very good. It can be any work. Okay. I did it. Maybe some mischievous things also. I did it. Okay. If your teachers are asking you who did it, you can say I did it. So did is used in the case of past tense and do in the plural, does with the singular. Is that three things clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, you can copy these questions in your book quickly. If you're fast,
Notebook?
yeah, in the rough book. Rough book is enough. Rough book is enough. And you have to find the answers also. Fill with do, does, or
Notebook.
rough book, did. Shall I mute? Because I can hear somebody talking Malayalam. Maybe your parents or someone from your home. I'm going to mute all. Very bad.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you read it? Is it clear to you? The questions? Finished? Shall I start? I'll start with Mayuk. Mayuk, read the first one.
He dashed a
Seminar.
seminar yesterday.
Yes.
He did.
He did. Yes. Now the second one for Manas. Manas, just say the answer. She dash her work always neatly.
Does.
Yes? What you said?
Does.
Does? You said does? Yes. Your audio is not clear, Manas. Does. It's correct. Very good. Now the third one. Glenn, can you try the third one? Unmute. Yeah.
I dash my work on time. Do.
I do my work on time. Very good. Then, Sarah Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one.
She dash have her breakfast. Didn't.
Didn't. Very good. Now, Devarsh, can you try the fifth one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Veena and her friends do the seminar well.
Okay, when they always do, you can say they do the seminar well, and it can be did also. They did the seminar well. If they had finished their presentation, you can say did. And if they always do their seminar well, you can use do. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. So is it clear to you now? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If it is clear, raise your thumbs up. Yes. Shall we go for a short test?
Yes, ma'am.
A daily test with the same content, same topic?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Did you get the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start doing.
No.
Twice I pasted that. You can just click and start doing.
Ma'am, or we will write the name.
Wait. It's okay. It's only for you. If there is no name, wait, let me check. It's okay, you can do, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
It's only for your class. I'll get the response then immediately. Anyone finished?
I haven't got the link.
Who hasn't got? Who's that? Who's that?
See, Hari.
Once again, I'll paste. Just wait. Is it okay now, Srihari?
No, I haven't still gotten.
You haven't still got.
No.
Why? What about others? Just raise your hands if you got. Srihari, it's in the chat box. Chat. Take the chat.
Mom, I took